Welcome to Fashion Trends. Subscribe to receive free latest updates from our channel, friends. And also click the bell icon to receive more interesting videos from our channel. Hello, friends. So today in our video we are going to be seeing about nail art designs. So nail art is a beautiful art and it's also perfect for all of our nails, friends. So in this video I'm going to be explaining about what are the nail arts which you can use in your summer, in your winter, and also in all other seasons, which are really beautiful. So, keeping your nail trendy is also a way of being really trendy and your best in fashion, friends. And nails are also really beautiful. So you can use with long nails or a pair of short nails. You can use both of them. For the people who love long nails, you can use them, and for the people who love short nails, you can use them. Talking about the colors, some people love using awesome colors which are really kind of girlish, like purple, pink, or your other light pink shades or the pinkish shades, friends. And while some people love using the blue shades or the other color shades. So, for your summer, you can try on bright colors like dark yellow or dark orange or some other colors which are really bright like dark pink. And in your winter, you can try on with blue shades like blue turquoise or white. And it feels really good, friends. And you can also use some pinkish shades. You can also use we can have your white background nail and use some beautiful dark neon colors, which is also a great and awesome idea, friends. You can have similar patterns in them which are really interesting and cool. So you can also use a rainbow shades. So, hope you really enjoyed this video, friends, and if it's really useful, then comment this. And if you really like this video and wanted more videos like these, then subscribe to our channel and give us a lot of likes so we can give you awesome and cool videos to watch and enjoy. And also remember to share this video with all of your friends and relatives. So bye, friends, see you next awesome video.